Hello and welcome back to Self-Aware Soul. I'm Jacinta from Jacinta Healing Arts, your guide to personal and spiritual growth. And today, I want to talk to you about something that we have all been experiencing, the unpredictable weather, and how it beautifully mirrors the unpredictability of life. Here in Ontario, we've had days that go from icy storms to spring-like sunshine in the span of 24 hours. It's almost comical. 1 minute we are bundled up, the next we are shedding layers. But we adapt. We change our clothes, our plans, and somehow life continues. It made me realize how similar that is to our emotional and personal journey. Life too can feel like a storm one day and a calm breeze the next. And just like the weather, we don't always have control over what comes our way. What we do have control over is how we respond. When we learn to flow with change, instead of resisting it, we actually become more grounded, more resilient, more in tune with the rhythm of life. So today, I'd like to invite you to think and reflect. How do you respond when life changes suddenly? Do you freeze, retreat, or rise to meet the shift? When we had the heaviest snowstorm of the year, I shoveled all day long. There was so much snow piled up that I had no room for so much snow that I had to move some of it to the backyard or push some snow deeper into the yard so I can shovel off the snow from the driveway. Fortunately, I remained calm and was not bothered by it at all, because I recalled there were years ago we did have longer winter and more snowfalls than we've had in the past few years, and chose not to complain. Because I was grateful how fortunate we had been past few years of not a very long and cold winter. I was not bothered by the amount of snow because I knew it was only temporary, and soon the weather will be better and the snow will melt. This also reminded me of the time in my life when I went through challenges after challenges, and that too for a long period of time. But circumstances have been much better, and now, much like the way I approached the heavy snowfall, I did not let any new challenges bother me, because I knew it will also pass, just as I cleared the snow as it came and not be bothered by it. I approach my life the same way. We will be faced with challenges from time to time in our lives, just as we will face different weather conditions. Life just moves on, and we learn to adapt accordingly, just as we would dress accordingly to the weather and the temperature. And here's a thought. Just like we appreciate a warm, sunny day, can we also learn to appreciate the clarity that comes after the storm? Before we wrap up, I'll leave you with a short healing reminder. You're not your storm. You're the sky they pass through. Just like the weather, as we adapt to the weather and season, we too can adapt to what life throws at us. Stay strong and be confident and be positive. Thank you for tuning in. If today's reflection resonated with you, feel free to share it or message me at Jacinta Healing Arts, and stay tuned. there's a guided meditation upcoming next to help you feel grounded no matter what kind of life weather brings, or what kind of weather life brings. Love and light.